Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Like Me Easy. And today, guys, we got another awesome gaming PC review slash overview. And this is a popular one, ladies and gentlemen, because we are looking at iBUYPOWER, one of the main competitors in the budget pre-built PC market. So without further ado, let's hop into this. The main competitor to iBUYPOWER, in my opinion, is CyberPower PC. Also, guys, if you go on to enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm also extremely hungry right now, and I really need to eat dinner, but why not make a YouTube video while I'm sitting here doing nothing? So, without further ado, let's hop into the overall specs and my opinions on this PC. I did a brief overview before I started recording, so I already have a pretty good idea about what I want to say in this video about this. Spoiler alert. Pretty positive for the most part. So iBUYPOWER PC, budget gaming company. Highly recommend them. They make, as you can see, they look very similar to CyberPower PC. We got some similar competition going on here, literally in their keyboard and their mouse and their overall chassis and their build. It looks pretty much like CyberPower PC. Their logo is, what is that? Is that like a tiger or a mountain lion or something? I don't know. But yeah, so let's go over the basic specs listed on Amazon's front page. i7-9700F 9th gen chip. Would have liked to seen a 10th gen processor here, but it's okay. I mean, 9th gen is good, but 3 gigahertz solid there. Slightly above the standard 2.9 gigahertz that all these other PCs seem to have. It's really weird how they're all 2.9 gigahertz. I'm guessing that's just because most CPUs just have that clock speed anyway. Maybe it doesn't fluctuate. The variance is pretty low on that. But so we have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. Thank God I've finally moved past a 1650. I know the 1650 Super is sometimes more powerful than this, but thank God. And it's a Ti version, so you're going to get that boosted performance. Let me just show you this right here. Let me show you this right here. Where is it? Right here. Here's a comparison between the 1660 and the 1660 Ti. If you're not familiar with NVIDIA's graphics cards, it goes in order, like numerical order for how powerful it is, and they usually have the 9th gen series, the 10th gen series. Now they have the like 20 series, the 2070, 2060, 2080 Ti. This is the 10 series. So we have a 12% increase from the 1660. Nice bar chart right there showing the difference. And then also with the i7-9700F, it has a 23% increase compared to the i5-9400F, which is awesome. And it's an 8-core processor. Finally an 8-core processor in here. My God, I've been stuck on 6 cores for so long doing these reviews. What else do we have? Just a little rundown of like FPS here. As you can see here, you're getting well above 60 FPS. So if you guys want to go out and buy a higher refresh monitor, this is a good one to do because you're going to get those higher FPS values. And I don't know, can the human eye see it? Leave a comment down below if you think the human eye can see more than 60 FPS. Highly controversial topic, but yeah. And this is 1080p high. I'm guessing when it says high FPS, I think that just means like high settings. So not ultra. I do think they should have shown the ultra settings here, but whatever. Did they show them? Okay, no, they didn't. This is just high settings. High settings is fine, to be honest. So we have a comparison between the. Let me just scroll down. We have a comparison between the 1660 and the 1660 Ti. They really want to make this comparison, and these are just the overall differences between the frame rates. It is kind of marginal, especially here, like Black Ops 4, it's only a 14 FPS increase, and then CSGO is not that big. What was the percent? Was it 14% increase? So it's obviously not, oh no, it's 12% increase. So it's not major, but it's there. Oh, so we can go up to 4.7 gigahertz max turbo. That's insane. So we have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. By the way, guys, this is a $1,000 computer, which you could say is budget for a lot of people, and then you could say it's not budget for a lot of people. It really depends on what your income is and what you consider budget. So 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, not the best, but I mean, for $1,000, you can't really expect 32 gigabytes. Terabyte hard drive, 240 gigabyte SSD. Okay, so as I was saying, 240 gigabyte SSD, Windows 10, 64-bit, pretty standard. Let's just go over I/O. I already mentioned the graphics card and how good it is. VR ready, so we have a DVI HDMI DisplayPort, 4 USB 3.0s, 2 USB 2.0s, so we have plenty of USBs to plug accessories into. Ethernet, obviously, and that's not important. Tempered glass RGB case, awesome that we see tempered glass. I mean, you really should at $1,000. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, great. 16 color RGB lighting case. Free gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse. That's pretty standard with rebuilds. They'll give you like some free accessories. Some even give you free t-shirts like on exoticpc.com. No bloatware. Ooh, that's nice. No bloatware. Nice job, iBUYPOWER. 1 year parts and labor plus free lifetime US tech support assembled in. Do we have a warranty? If we look, 31.5 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Dimensions not really important for a computer, to be honest. 6 gigabytes of video RAM. Nice. 7200 standard. Is there anything about a warranty? Warranty information, please click here. Okay, so I think you have to go directly through iBUYPOWER's warranty for that. For reviews, we have 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is solid. From that average, you can pretty much determine that this is a well-built and functioning computer for the most part. You shouldn't really have any difficulties with it. Number 42 in computers and accessories, solid. And this is a 2019 computer, which is sick. So, yeah, guys, that's basically what I want to get across in this video. It's a very solid computer. I'd recommend it. Obviously, there's other competitors like CyberPower that offer similar specs right here, so you should definitely take a look at that. And they compare, and Skytech is one. All these are very similar in terms of specs. Just pick the one that has the best bang for the buck, best specs for the money. And obviously, I know you can build all these yourself. I understand that, but this is a pre-built PC video, so I know I'm gonna get comments and I'm gonna be like, "Oh, you can build this for like $500 or something like that," which you probably could, but it's about pre-built, and this is for the consumer that doesn't want to build a computer. Not everyone has to build a computer or wants to. So, with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast if you're interested. Links below for that. Also, subscribe to Gaming Made Easy if you want to watch me live stream. Been doing some live streams. It's sick. And yeah, signing off, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.